Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to get started with GitHub Copilot in VS Code. From choosing the right plan to installing and sign in. You'll also learn how to read the Copilot status icon in your IDE so you always know when it is active, sign in or excluded. Let's begin with choosing the right Copilot plan. GitHub offers several plans for GitHub Copilot. So let's explore the different options and choose the one that best fits in your workflow. First, there is the Copilot free plan. It's available to individual developer and gives you access to basic features at no cost. It is a great starting point. If you are curious about what Copilot can do, just keep in mind it comes with limited functionality and a cap of 50 messages per month. Next is Copilot Pro. This plan is built for individuals who want full access to Copilot core capabilities. It includes unlimited code completion, premium model in Copilot Chat, and a monthly quota of premium requests. You can subscribe on monthly basis or save with annual plan that gives you 2 months free. Verified students, teacher, and popular open source maintainer may be eligible for free access. Then there is Copilot Pro Plus, the top tier plan for individuals. It includes everything in Copilot Pro plus a higher request limit and full access to all available models in Copilot Chat. It's perfect for AI power users, and yes, it comes with the same 2-month discount if you go annual. For teams and organization, there's Copilot Business. It includes centralized management and advanced policy control for all members. And finally, Copilot Enterprise. This one is designed for larger organizations and include everything in the business plan plus additional enterprise grade features. You can find all the details about GitHub Copilot plans, including pricing and additional discount, at the link in the description below. GitHub Copilot is a Visual Studio Code extension that lets you to interact with your code using natural language. Let's start by installing GitHub Copilot and Copilot Chat in Visual Studio Code. First, in VS Code, click on the extension icon on the left side. In the search bar, at the top type GitHub Copilot. You'll see two extensions, GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat. Go ahead and install both. Once both extensions are installed, you'll see a new Copilot control icon in the top bar of VS Code. If it is not visible, no worry. Just right-click on the top bar and select Copilot Control. This allows quick access to features like Open Chat, Quick Chat, and more. That's your entry point to smarter, AI-powered development. Before using Copilot feature like Edit with Copilot or Ask Copilot, you will need to sign in. If you try to ask a question without sign in, you will see a prompt, sign in to use Copilot. Click sign in and your default browser will open a select user screen. Go ahead and click continue. Next, it will ask you to authenticate using single sign-on. Click continue again. When prompted, choose Open Visual Studio Code in the pop-up. Back in VS Code, you will see GitHub and Copilot sign in you. Once done, you are ready to go. Let me show you. I'll open a file called category.js and ask Copilot to review it. Boom. It highlights area for improvement. That means Copilot is up and running. Now let's talk about that mysterious GitHub Copilot icon you see in your IDE. Whether you are using VS Code, JetBrains, or Visual Studio, this little icon tells you everything about Copilot status. A happy face means Copilot is active and working fine. If the icon shows a warning or error symbol, there might be a network issue or temporary glitch. A completely red icon means you are not signed in or your subscription isn't active. And if you see diagonal line across the Copilot icon, that means Copilot exclusion settings are applied for the current file. In this video, you covered the essential to start using GitHub Copilot, from choosing the right plan to sign in and checking your status icon. Coming up next, we'll explore how Copilot supports your full development workflow with smart suggestion in editor, inline, chat, and terminal. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for next installment, and drop a comment with any question or feedback.